everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In this video, I will show you how to book flights on Skyscanner step by step. First, launch the Skyscanner app on your phone. Make sure you are logged in for a smoother booking experience. On the home screen, tap on Flights. Now select whether it's a return, one-way or multi-city journey. Then enter your departure city and destination city. Select your travel dates through here. Once done, tap continue at the bottom right, and there's this drop down menu. From here, select the number of passengers and the cabin class as well, whether it's economy, premium economy, business or first class, and also mention if there are any children. Once done, tap done, and then tap search flights. You'll see a list of airlines and prices. Use filters like stops, airlines, departure times. You can also toggle on the direct flights only to narrow down choices. Tap on the flight that best suits you. Skyscanner will show you booking options from different travel agencies or airlines. Choose your preferred provider. You'll be redirected to their website or app to complete the payment. Enter your traveler details and payment information. Once done, you'll receive an email with your e-ticket. And that's it. That's how you successfully book a flight on Skyscanner. Quick, simple, and super convenient. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more such tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.